If you find that the printed image is unexpectedly faint or dots in the printed image are missing, you may be able to solve these problems by cleaning the print head, which ensures that the nozzles are delivering ink properly. If the nozzle check page does not print satisfactorily, you may need to repeat the head cleaning and print the nozzle check pattern again. If print quality hasn't improved after repeating this procedure 4 or 5 times, turn the printer off and leave it alone overnight. Then do the nozzle check again, and repeat the head cleaning if necessary.